Whew, got through there clean. Whoa, that's a weird line. Ah, oh! Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. We're at GFX Racing for race 4 of 5 of the fall 2025 season. There will be one more race here in December, and then that will end out for the point series for this series of racing, and some of us will get trophies. I don't know if it's going to be me, but I will try. F1. I'm in TQ actually. My Qual 2 ended up working out great. This car looks a little bit different than what you saw in the last few videos. I have changed the body because the silver got really brittle and it cracked on me really bad, as well as my halo came off, so I had a reprint done. Now the body's all blue, but I added in some stickers that were kind of appropriate sizing to make it look a little more appropriate as an F1 car. Also, I have officially changed my rear pod. I'm no longer on the LM pod, which I was technically too long for this class. With the LM pod, this car had a 120 millimeter wheelbase. It should be 116 as the max wheelbase for regulation F1 128th racing. So with the MR04MM pod, I now have the proper wheelbase, as well as I started running this with the stock plastic T-plate, and it was a bit of a handful. I put on the softest carbon T-plate and the car handles much better, which is how I was able to get TQ. Car's working out great. We'll see how we do in this main. All right, here we go. F1 A main. I am top qualifier. I'll be starting in pole position, and we'll see if I can hold off the other two. Now Dean is in the white and red car. He's almost on my exact same pace, so it's really gonna be a tough battle here on who wins it. Car's handling great. I've already explained all the little changes that I've made over the day. The car's working out good. Let's see if I can win this thing. I'll get a lot more steering once I've got some heat in the front tires. Without the heat in the front tires, it really washes out easy. Right, F1 A main.
The only main.
Oh. Yeah. Everyone's in the A. Good job. Oh, went way wide there.
Yeah.
Wow, and there. Oh, just giving it away. That was really dumb lines on my choice. Oh, yay! He got nosed in, but he didn't get caught. Whew, got through there clean. Whoa, that's a weird line. Ah, oh! Yeah, you did. That was a clean pass. That was really nice. I got wedged under. That's unfortunate. I got wedged. That's going to give Dean a half lap advantage.
Dean's giving himself a nice 5-second lead over John.
We're all completely spread out now.
Oh. Thanks, buddy.
Whoa! Oh, I saw you and panicked. Yeah, that was really dumb. I hit the brakes. Don't hit the brakes.
Nope.
Dean stretching out the lead to 6.9 seconds. We are 2 minutes and 37 seconds into the race, just over halfway done.
I need him to make some mistakes. I'm washing wide in a lot of my corners, losing a lot of time in washing wide. Whoa. Oh, I'm stuck. Hey, he blocked you with vision.
Yeah.
Vision block. Awesome. Here we go. Race is back on. Oh.
Check my knuckles, Ashton, please.
Damn it.
No, it's not.
Every time he crashes there, I lose my mojo, and then I lose my timing of the corner, and I turn in early.
I don't know what happened. He managed to get himself a little bit of lead over John again. There was a minute and 20 seconds left in the race. Can he hold on to the lead?
Something's wrong with whatever. That was close in the Johnny boy.
Come on, stop. Okay. Trying to smack talk, and I keep driving into the boards. Just gonna shut my mouth. It requires all the brain to hit the best lines.
We got 30 seconds left in the race. And Dean hold together. He's got an 8-second lead. 25 seconds.
I need the mother of all wedgies to be able to take this.
All 3500s and Steve 65.
That's it, Diener. You got me. All right. Good job. You kept that extremely clean.
Yeah.
With all of the blocking you had.
That one friggin' wedge I got. Pretty clean.
Yeah,
I love these little F1s.
oh, they're great fun. They're great fun. Yeah, I couldn't keep my lines tight enough, and then I made multiple mistakes there. Every time he would crash, then I would lose my timing and blow that. All right, that was F1 second. So far, twice this week, I've been TQ, once on the Wednesday night and once now on Saturday, and both times I've blown that chance at winning. But anyway, that's how she goes in racing. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new to subscribe, you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.